Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. I'm going to be drawing an kawaii style ice cream on a stick, and my favorite flavor is choc mint, so that's what I'm going to be drawing. But you can turn it into whatever flavor you want and however you like. I'm going to start with an upside down U, like so. Now this ice cream is going to be dripping, so we're going to do the drip effect first. So let's go up, back down, curve it around, and then make it get a bit thinner up there. Come up a bit higher than the last one. Now take it down. This one's not going to go as far down this time, so we're going to curve it around like this. And bring it up, and back down. And this one's going to come down like that to join up to the bottom. Now you can, however you do your drips, it's up to you, but just have some coming down further than others. Now I'm going to finish the ice cream off. So straight line coming down on this side, curve it around for the bottom, and then back up. Now let's make that into a stick. Curve it around and come down. Now you can put a double line on one side. I'm just going to make this side a bit thicker so it's like a shadow. Now you can put a face on this. This is up to you how you put your face on. I'm going to do a cute kawaii face. So I'm going to start with 2 eyes, and they're going to be oval shapes. 1, 2. Let's put a circle there and a smaller circle there. We're going to do the same on this side, circle, circle, and then we're going to colour that in. It's up to you how you do your mouth. I'm going to do my mouth as a tongue, so straight line across and a tongue coming down. Looks like it's licking the ice cream. Now if you wanted to, you could put some little stars around the side. There we have a cute ice cream. You could colour in your ice cream any colour you like, but I like choc mint ice cream, so this is going to be a mint flavoured ice cream. So I'm using green to colour mine in. And then chocolate on top. This is the chocolate on top. You can colour yours any colours you like. You might like to do a pink and purple one. You might like to do your favourite ice cream. Comment below what's your favourite colour ice cream. A nice pink tongue, a wooden stick colour. Now we can put a few little darker and lighter bits on this to make it look even better. I'm just going to put a bit of a darker colour green on this side. A bit darker green over here. Put a bit of a shadow underneath here, just to show on the right hand side, because see how I've done the shadow there, and a bit of the darker on the chocolate as well. Pink stars to match the tongue, and let's put some highlights on with some white. So if the light's coming from there, that's why I'm doing it on the left hand side of the parts.